In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a navigation sidebar on Notion in just 5 minutes. If you've ever felt the need to streamline your workspace and make navigation across your Notion pages just a bit smoother, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a handy sidebar that will make accessing your key pages a breeze. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to your connected workspace. This is where your wiki, docs, and projects live. Make sure you're at the right workspace, as this will be the foundation for your navigation sidebar. Once you're there, look for that familiar login button and click on it. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account that hosts your workspace. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to authenticate your account credentials to proceed. Once you've logged into Notion, navigate to the Notion home. This hub is where all your creative energy takes form. It's the central place from which all great layouts and productivity schemas begin. From here, we move forward by clicking on Pages. Navigating through the Pages section will allow us to create links and group pages that you frequently use or need quick access to. It's a straightforward step, but an important one. Now, here's where a bit of magic happens. You want to create links that will appear in your navigation sidebar. To do this, start by typing double square brackets, followed by the name of the page you want to link. This feature allows you to quickly create internal links within Notion. It doesn't just improve your navigation, it also enhances your organization by forming connections between related content. After typing in the page name, the next step is to create a direct link. It's as simple as hitting enter once your desired page shows up in the link suggestion box. This forms a clickable link directly in your sidebar. You can repeat this process for every page you want to include in your navigation, creating a personalized list of shortcuts. And there you have it. A neat and efficient way to create a navigation sidebar in Notion. By customizing it with your key pages, you can manage your workspace effectively and make your workflows more efficient. As you become more comfortable, feel free to add or modify links as your projects evolve. That wraps up our quick tutorial today. I hope you find your new navigation sidebar incredibly helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips.